How to delete Reddit history on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Reddit history on iPhone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete your Reddit history on iPhone, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open the Reddit app. Now I'm on my iPhone, as you can see, and I'm on the app. So now I just need to tap on the profile icon from the top right, and then here you'll find the option called history. So just tap on the history button, and over here you'll be able to see all of the Reddit history that you've actually watched basically. So if you want to select them, all you need to do is just go ahead and select a specific history that you want, and then just tap on the option called hide over here, and then you'll be able to delete your history. Or else what you can actually also do is just tap on this and then go to settings. Then once you actually go to settings over here, you should be able to find the option called clear local history. So here you can find the option called clear local history. Just tap on clear local history and then tap on clear button, and then your history will be successfully cleared. This is how you can delete your Reddit history on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.